You watching Top 5 Best Home Generators. Number 5. Green Power. Runs for up to 8 hours at 50% load on a full 6.6 gallon fuel tank. Features 8,000 starting watts and 6,500 running watts. Offers a powerful 420 cubic centimeters LCT OHV 15 HP engine. Includes 4 120 volt AC outlets, 1 120 volt twist lock AC outlet, 1 120/240 volt twist lock AC outlet, and 1 12 volt/8.3 ADC outlet. Offers a 75 dB noise level and 10-inch solid wheels. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. Champion. Dual fuel, runs on gas or propane straight out of the box. 4,750 starting watts, 3,800 running watts with up to 9 hours runtime on a full tank of gas and up to 10.5 hours on a 20 pounds propane tank. Powered by a reliable 224 cubic centimeters Champion engine with touch start, push button electric start, battery included. Outlets: 120V30A RV, 120V30A locking, 2 120V20A household outlets, all secured by Volt Guard, protects your appliances from power surges. Champion support: 3-year limited warranty with free lifetime technical support. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Briggs. Clean and instant power to keep appliances and other important electronics running during a power outage. Produces 25% more surge wattage so you can run large appliances and tools at the same time. 2100 series OHV 420 cubic centimeters engine. 7.5 gallon metal fuel tank for an impressive 9 hours of continuous operation at 50% load on a full tank. 3-year limited warranty. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Duro Star. AC output rated 3500 watt/surge to 4400 watt. Durable 7 HP air-cooled EPA and CARB approved engines. 2 to 120 volt 20 amp 3-prong outlet plus 1 120 volt/240 volt 30 amp twist lock outlet. Low oil shutoff sensor to protect the engine. Super quiet exhaust rated at 69 dBA with spark arrestor. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. Duro Star. Durable Duro Star 7.0 HP, air-cooled OHV engine W/low oil shutoff. Heavy-duty steel frame with 4-point fully isolated motor mounts for smooth and quiet operation. Full power panel with oil warning light, voltmeter, circuit breaker, and power outlets. Power plug configuration 2-120 volt, 20 amp, 60 Hz NEMA 5-20R outlets, 1-120 volt, 30 amp, 60 Hz NEMA L530 outlet. 8-hour runtime. 4000 watt surge/3300 watt continuous. 4 gallon gas tank/8-hour runtime. Please check the description for details and update price.